Hey, good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the weather channel here. Not the weather channel, that's a different place. Weather from the deck and other places. I've got a nest around here, so I can't go too far, but yeah, it's a nice day in the neighborhood. If you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. I don't have any hands to show you where to go, but look at the itch. Like, share, and subscribe. I like reading these videos. We're on our way to 1 million subscribers. It's a long way, but we're getting there. I'm trying to hatch out some subscribers. Maybe in about 3-4 weeks. And we'll have some more.
Well, they're gone. Thank you, Mr. Bird, for your help. And let's take a look here at this beautiful sunny day in the Okanagan. Kids have another week and a half almost of school left. Or 2 weeks. Anyways, I digress. School zone speed limits are in effect from 7:30 till 5. So, drive safe. It's the exodus from the school, and people going to work, and people bringing their kids to the school. Anyways, take care, stay safe, as always. Peace out. Happy Tuesday. Any weather updates, we'll update.